Hello everybody, this is Soshiance with another WordPress tutorial. In this video I'm guiding you through the process of how to safely change your WordPress website theme. Uh, there are two main steps you need to consider. Let me go to, I have some notes here. The first step, a very important step, is to get a backup of your site. It is very important to have a backup of your website. There are many ways. Here we are using the Updraft Plus plugin. The Updraft Plus is the uh, paid version, and it is working very well. But the free version is working for small scale websites. It is okay. Let's say less than 500 MB in size. But if that is a large scale website, a huge website, then you need to buy the paid version. And another one is the Block Vault backup plugin. It's also a good one, all-in-one WP migration. And there are many other plugins in the market you can use. The second step is creating a staging site. It simply means to create a duplicate of your website. Replicate your website and bring all the changes on the duplicated website, not the real one. For the staging purpose, there are many plugins you can use. Here we are using the WP staging plugin. Now we are using the paid version, and there is a free version also. You can use that one. I will just guide you through the process and tell you what is the difference between the paid version and free version. The second option is that the local host. You can install the WordPress on your local computer. You can load the backup of your site. You can bring your changes in that, and then you can get a backup again and load that on your real site. The third option is to create a subdomain in your site and load the backup on it and bring all the changes you want. Also, there are hosting providers. Some of the hosting providers, they are providing the staging service for their clients. And there's another very useful plugin. It's called wpstagecoach.com. This is the website. You can go and you can download this one. Okay, so let's move on the process. Here we are using Updraft Plus plugin for getting backup, and WP staging plugin to create a stage site. Okay, let's go on to our website. This is a website from a client from USA. I'm supposed to change the theme of this website. So I go to backend of my website. Let me close this. This is the Updraft Plus. Yeah, if you want to buy it, that is 42 USD per year. And this is the staging WP staging plugin. This is the for the personal use 107 USD, 167 for the 5 websites, and there are different packages. Here we are using this one, the Pro package. Okay, let me go to backend. I'm going to setting. I have already installed the plugin Updraft Plus. When you install it, it will come under setting and go to Updraft Plus backup. Here I have a backup already here. Yeah, it is saved in my Google Drive. If you want to get a new backup, it is not that complicated. Just click a backup, and what you should backup include your database, include your files, and send this backup to remote storage, which is my Google Drive. Okay, I already have a backup, and that is open. Now I'm going to WP Staging Pro and creating a staging site. Okay, just ignore this one. It will work for this version as well. Wait a moment. Okay, I have already created a staging site. This is the staging site. Then we just give a name. This is a duplicate of this website. Okay, however, let's create a new one. You can create new staging site. You can give a name. You can say staging site 2. And database, leave everything as it is and start crawling. It will take a while. Okay, here we are, and we are done with the staging. Open the staging site, log in with your admin credential. Okay, here you can type your credential, your WordPress user and password, and you will be logged in. Okay, here we are. This is our staging site, exactly the same as our production site. You can see the banner here, the orange color. You can clearly identify which one is the real one and which one is the staging site. This is the production site, and this is the staging site. Here we are at the back end of our staging site. You can do whatever you want. Then you go to your production site dashboard. After bringing all the changes you want, you can go to WP Staging Pro on your production site, of course. And here are our staging sites. Okay, here it is. There was something wrong with the license. I activated the license. Now I can see all the buttons. With the free version of WP Staging Pro, you don't see this option, push changes. We have two sites here, two staging sites. After bringing the changes on the staging site, you can click push changes. Then all the changes will be applied to the real site, to the production site. With the free version, you don't see this option. Just now you saw that this option was not available because the license was not activated. Okay, so let's imagine like most people don't like to pay for this stuff. And then you can use the free version after bringing the changes on the staging site, so you won't have this option to push changes. What simply you can do is you can go to backend of your staging site. You can install the Updraft Plus or any other plugin to get a backup, and then you come to your real site and just restore and load the backup you got from your staging site. This is also a way to solve the problem. Okay, it's all for now, and thank you very much. Please make sure you're subscribing. Every now and then I'm uploading some useful videos regarding web development, regarding WooCommerce websites, regarding Amazon Web Service, IoT, and many other things. I'm uploading videos. Okay, have a good time, and bye-bye.
Audio Jungle.